Anyway, welcome back. I've got a TV mount, wall TV mount for my TV. I've got a flat screen here. Here's the model, got it off Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. I don't know why they call it a medium full motion, but anyways, it's pretty adjustable, fits a lot of different sizes. They claimed it would fit like my 42 incher, whatever I've got here. Somewhere in that range, but they claimed it's up to that and rated for quite a bit of poundage. I don't know if it says it on the box here, but the ad, like I said, I'll link it down below. It was rated up to like 88 pounds or something ridiculous. Anyway, so I got this. Just came today. Here's kind of the installation. Figured I'd do a little video on how I mount a flat screen on a wall. So here's what we got. We're going to be mounting this old Sony, I don't know, it's 40 or 42 inch, whatever it is, in my shop here. And I'm planning to mount it up here where this sweet hat is, so that when we're hanging out in the shop here, we can play Xbox, watch YouTube. I've got a Roku as well here. Roku Premiere I'm going to be featuring in another video this weekend, so check that out if you guys are into RC jets or four-wheelers. But anyways, here's the mount. I'll get everything laid out here and start putting it together and show you guys how it works. Here we've got everything laid out. You can see you got the mount, the pieces that bolt onto there. This is where it fits a smaller TV. And then you bolt these on and you got the extra holes for a bigger TV. Comes with 5 of these straps. It even comes with an HDMI cable, which is pretty cool. You have a level, make sure everything's mounted good. Here's the bags of parts, all pretty well labeled. And here's the instructions, tells you what to do here, there. You know, here's your specs for your different size TVs, different ways of mounting it. So you've got lots of options. Everything's clearly labeled. Pretty awesome. So I'm gonna bolt it together and make sure it fits my TV and get it on the wall, and then I'll come back and explain to you how much fun it was. This plate was on here. You can see, just loosen the top nut, it slides off. And then once you get it in place, you can put the screw in the bottom. You can see it's got adjustment there too. Anyway, so we're gonna take this and these, and we're gonna test fit it up to the back of my TV and see kind of which holes I need to be in and adjustment wise. Okay, here's the start of the setup. The mount's there. So what I did is I loosely mounted. You can see everything's still pretty sloppy. I loosely mounted everything, so I kind of knew which way and which holes it would go in, because you can see here it goes in a lot of different ways. Now, the package does come with the bolts for the TV. It comes with different size ones, different diameter, thread pitch, and size, which is really cool. You got these 2 packages here of just TV bolts, and it has the ones that fits mine. So I'm gonna start tightening this up, and then I guess the next thing would be just simply getting this mount on the wall where I want it, and then I just hang that baby in there. Like, this is going pretty good. Okay, I got it mounted. I went in a different spot. Got it angled as best as I can. Hopefully it'll be able to see from down here. I'm kind of having my doubts. I might have to mount it lower. But now the fun part is to get the TV up there. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. Okay, got her up there. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty hard. I ended up backing the four-wheeler up there and doing that. But here you can see the mount. So you lift it up there and kind of drop that top bolt in, and then put the screw in the bottom of the deal up there, if you can see. Right in there. Anyway, that's how she mounts. Got those 3 screws in there. Pretty good sized beam. It's really sturdy. I mean, it wobbles a little bit, but I think it's just flexing the TV and whatever, the joints, but pretty happy with it. So there you go. Hope that helps somebody. It's got a great range of motion. Nice and adjustable. You can see I got it lined up with the rafter, top of the rafter just right. So yeah, big thumbs up from me. Make sure you subscribe.